Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a major back to school hop that Sarah Scraps puts on, and it is stepping it up. A 2001 school themed or not so much YouTube hop. So what I decided to do is that I did not do the typical back to school pictures with my children. I used my back to school pictures from last year, the 2020-2021 back to school photos. I took last year, as you guys all know, we had a very different, odd, crazy year last year, and so my school did the back to school little banner thingies outside outside in the yard. And on my first day of school, at the end of the day, JP and I went out and took some photos outside, and it says welcome back Bel Air K8 Falcons. And so that is what is there, and it's me sitting in the grass being all like cutesy whatever. So I am using the latest collection from Close to My Heart. The bubbles that you see there are a thinlet that is available now in the main catalog for Close to My Heart. It is a thinlet. It is a 6x6 thinlet, or actually I think it's like almost like a 6x8-ish size, and I love it. I also got the star one. There is a star. I haven't used it yet, but I will. I absolutely love it. So I am using the Project Life cards. I am so sorry for the yawning. I didn't mean to yawn there. But it's been a week at school. So I am using the Project Life one. This is the back to school kit that is in the main catalog. I will link everything down below along with everybody. There's like 30 some of us that are doing this YouTube hop with Sarah. Every time she asks me to do this, I am always willing to do this because I absolutely love doing this project with her. It's just fantastic. It's something that I just love doing. And yeah, so this is what this is all about. I'm just doing my layering bits. Y'all know I love the layer. I am going to wrap that up on some foam tape, and then I pretty much go to town on everything else. So school. I am now in my official third week of school, teaching my kids, because I've been out in craziness and all of that jazz that's happened. But I am in my third week. I did my very first STEM lab, which is the earthquake and the sedimentary rocks. And of course my kids loved it. Some of them were like, ew, I don't know if I want to eat this, and then they all eat it anyway. And yeah, so you know, it is fun. It's just a fun project. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just go to my personal page or my Instagram, and you will see it is, I just love doing it. It's one of the favorite things of rocks that I love to do, and it's fantastic. Yeah, other than that, we've done our fall assessment for the kids. They all got technology, and let me tell you, oh my god, y'all, I am so super excited that I'm on technology. I can tell them to go get headsets and shush. They are quiet then, and they're working, and their grades are great. I mean, obviously I don't use it for everything. I mean, but it is just nice to have it done. It's fantastic. I love it. It is awesome. So yeah, I am just gluing everything down. I am looking at all of just getting these in there. I wanted to put the black paint splots in these circles, and it works out perfectly for how I wanted it done. I think it is great. I think it works out the way I want it to. It's just awesome sauce. So I am just placing these down, and then pretty much, like I said, everything else after this is just me embellishing. And I decided to kind of do it something a little bit different. I just wanted to scrapbook me instead of my children. Obviously, I do have my daughters, and my son is in college. He hasn't started college yet because he won't start until January. Because the one thing about graduating early is SATs for seniors still follow and commence at the same time like they're supposed to. So just because Austin graduated a year early, still he has to wait to take his SATs. And his SATs are here in October, so he's going to finish that out. And that's the kicker is that we had to get that part done before he could go to college. So he's accepted to his college. They're going to take him, but he has to make sure that he has the right SATs. So he's going to take that in October. All of that is good, grand, gracious, all of that jazz. That's good to go. So it'll be interesting to see what his scores are going to be like. I'm pretty sure they'll be good. He's a little leery about the writing and the reading portion because he does struggle in that, but you know, I did too. I still do. I mean, let's all face it. I'm going to be honest. I have a tutor that helps me with my papers all the time, and she's a fantastic friend. Fran just does an amazing job with me, helping me out. She understands my Miranda-isms more than I ever thought anybody could ever figure it out, because even my husband that has known me for years still can't figure out my Miranda-isms. So I really like that about it. So yeah, that's kind of where we're sitting at with life. Josh is at 84 days to come home, hopefully. Everything's looking good so far for him to come home in 84 days. So that is awesome sauce. We'll see though. We all know how I know how the Army is. He isn't home until I see him at home. So, you know, until then, he's still over there doing his thing. Yeah, so that's that. And let's see here. So now it's just embellishment time. I'm going through and everything that I am using that is still available. Obviously most of this is, but I may have used a couple things that may not be, but ultimately I'll link everything down below. Make sure you go check out everybody that's in the hop. There's like 30 some of us that's doing it. So you will get a total amount of inspiration on back to school. We always do a lot of this. Everybody does. So make sure that you're checking. Make sure that you go check out my channel. I do upload between 2 to 3 times, do tons of collaborations, all of this fun stuff, design team, all of that. So, and it's free. Hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you go check out everybody else. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.